Okay, so you've probably heard all the buzz about Bitcoin recently, but do you know what it is and where it comes from? Jane is with local financial professional James Gallagher of Waterstone Financial to help us understand it.
Chris, we are all ears with James, right?
Good morning.
Good morning, James. Okay, help us out. What is Bitcoin? When did this start?
Well, it's been around since 2009, and Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency, as they're called out there. There's over 1,000 of them, okay? So this is just one of 1,000. The important part is there's a digital coding protocol behind it called blockchain technology, and I want to talk a little bit about that.
Okay, yeah, exactly. Let's go ahead and break that down. Is it safe?
So that's the thing, is that this new technology is the real revolution here. It is unhackable protocol that has not been able to be hacked in its entire history. It's a much safer way to store data, and because it's so safe to store data, they can build a currency on it. But just think of your own personal data being stored in something like that where nobody can get at it. So it's getting all kinds of applications. It's such a big deal right now that companies like IBM are investing massive amounts of money into blockchain technology. This stuff's real.
All right, so this is more than just a basic currency like dollars and pesos there online.
Yeah.
All right, so should we buy Bitcoin at this point?
So the underlying technology might be safe, but does that mean we should buy Bitcoin? Absolutely. I cannot give you any advice on that. I'm sorry. That was the big,
on my toes.
Here's why though. I'm a licensed advisor, and I can only give advice on securities and currencies and all that kind of stuff. And this isn't considered any of those things. So it's outside of the realm of what we normally call investments. And because of that, there's a lot of attention coming from a lot of different places. One of the attractivenesses about Bitcoin was outside of the government. It was outside of taxes and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
Guess what? The big news in 2017 is all that regulatory stuff is happening. It's all coming home to roost. Just so you know, probably most of the exchanges in the U.S. will be reporting incomes coming out of that to the IRS. So
that's
it's a
what you
big
get with
deal.
a lot of attention. All right, so people are making money though off this, right?
Yeah, I do know people that have made millions of dollars off of Bitcoin. Here's the thing. Guess what? They got in a long time ago, okay? So I'm going to take it back and kind of give an analogy here. Think about the dot-com craze, where there's all kinds of people that came up with a dot-com this or a dot-com that and made billions of dollars. There was a lot of people that lost a lot of money during that dot-com craze. So I just want to take it back to that. A few will win, a whole bunch will lose when we go with this. But here's the message for this morning. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are absolutely here to stay.
Okay.
There is billions and billions of dollars around the world going into it, and large corporations and governments are involved now.
Always the potential for a Bitcoin bubble burst.
Yes, that's true.
All right, James, thank you for coming in. A lot of good information there. If you are in need of financial advice in Lee County, you can go to Waterstone Financial Office. It's in Fort Myers. The address there is on your screen. James's beautiful mug there is also there. You can give them a call. That number is on your screen as well. Their website is waterstonefs.com. Thank you.